Thailand, a country full of colors, chaos, and quiet magic. This time I'm not here to rush. I'm here to enjoy every moment and stay connected while I do. Bangkok hits you with all your senses at once. The smells, the colors, the noises, everything is alive. This city doesn't whisper, it dances. Always connected, also here in Lumpini Park, without thinking about it. And then, just a few steps away, everything slows down. Suddenly, there's space to breathe. Watching people start their day so calmly. It reminds me that balance is a real luxury. And then there are places like Wat Po, where time feels different, quiet, respectful. You don't just look, you feel. Step back outside, Bangkok welcomes you again. Life happens right here on the streets. And as the sun goes down, the city softens, the noise fades, the lights come on, and I know this is just the beginning of my journey.
Having sand coffee right now in Yesim makes it easy to share this little moment with my friends back home.
Not far from Bangkok, I step into a world that feels like a moving postcard. Moments like this You don't forget them.
On the road to Ayutthaya today, and I'm so glad I activated my Yesim eSIM before the trip. After last year's Chinatown chaos without data, this trip finally feels easy. That's why I choose the Yesim Global Plus package, one eSIM that works in more than 140 countries. Perfect when you travel often, change places a lot and just want to stay connected wherever the road takes you.
Ayutthaya feels different, quiet, slower, like time decided to pause for a moment. These temples have seen centuries pass by. Kings, wars, stories, and now just travelers walking softly through history. You don't need to understand every detail here, just feel it. Leaving the city behind, this is the moment when the journey really slows down. From roads to boats, from noise to waves, I'm on my way to Koh Chang. Koh Chang is calm, but my internet needs are not. So here's a plan that I'm using on this island. It's a global package. It works in 80 countries. It's perfect when you travel, but not too far, because data is cheaper per gigabyte. It's great for slow travel, island hopping, and for staying longer. No confusion. Just open the app, pick the plan, and you're online. And honestly, on a small island like Koh Chang, you really notice stable internet. Maps, grab, translation, all is smooth. So yeah, for trips like this, the global package just makes sense. was Koh Chang.
I probably shouldn't even share this island with you, because Kokut still feels like an untouched paradise. And what I love, I don't need much internet out here, but I like knowing it's here when I need it. That's why on Kokut I use Yesim Pay and Fly. No subscription, no contract, just pay for the data you actually use. Perfect for places where time still stands still, and yet I still like to stay connected. After the busy days before, Kokut feels like a deep breath, slow mornings, and nowhere I really have to be.
It's time to explore a little.
We are on our way to Long Chao waterfall. And at this place, the sound of nature is the only entertainment you need. In Kokut, even in the deepest place of the car, I have connection. Seriously, there's something grounding about this place. Even when you travel far, you can feel connected to something bigger.
This is Kokut's fisherman village. Houses built on stilts right above the water. This is where local fishermen still live and work, and where you can taste the freshest seafood straight from the sea. Sitting here with a coffee and watching this quiet life, it feels like time moves a little slower.
This might be the slowest cafe in Thailand, and I love it. We don't always need 100 plants. Sometimes it's enough to sit still and watch the island move around you.
This journey shows me once again it's not about how many places you see, it's about how deeply you feel them. From busy Bangkok to quiet island, from new faces to unforgettable moments, Thailand gave me more than memories. And at this stage of life, I don't rush anymore. I travel to feel, to connect, and simply to be.